Hello students, here is your math teacher Sanjeev Sikri. Today I am going to start chapter 6 for standard 9 mathematics, lines and angles. Students, in our today's lecture we'll be doing some basic discussion related to the angles. The angles which you have already studied in your lower classes. Like you did complementary angles, supplementary angles. So like these we'll be discussing these types of angles, what these are actually. So start करते हैं. If I talk about an acute angle, what is an acute angle? The angle whose measurement lies between 0 to 90. Then is right angle. The angle whose measurement is 90 degree. Then comes obtuse angle. The angle whose measurement is 90 to 180. So if I talk about the angle of 180 degree, it's a straight angle. You also heard about the angles linear pair. What does a linear pair means? Linear pair means if sum of two consecutive angles. Consecutive angles means whose one arm is common. If sum of two consecutive angles is 180 degree, then they are said to form a linear pair. Then you must have studied complementary angles, the angles whose sum is 90 degree. Two angles whose sum is 90 degree, supplementary angles, two angles whose sum is 180 degree. And then comes the most important type of angles which we are using here in this chapter, vertically opposite angles. Vertically opposite angles, if two lines intersect at 2 points, if two lines say L and M intersect at point say O, the angle formed on the opposite side of the vertex with two different arms are called vertically opposite angles. That means, let me take this as angle 1 and 2. These are vertically opposite angles. The other pair, this angle 3 and this angle 4, these are also vertically opposite angles. And these two angles are always equal in measurement. 1 will be equal to 2, 3 will be equal to 4. Let's prove it how they are equal. Students, this is actually a theorem 6.1. So whenever you must remember, whenever you have a theorem, तो आप given to prove वगैरह लिखते हो, तो मैं यहाँ पे given लिख देता हूँ इसका. Given L and M are two intersecting lines. What we need to prove? Vertically opposite angles are equal. Angle 1 is equal to angle 2 and angle 3 is equal to angle 4. Let's prove it. Prove कैसे करेंगे? I just explained to you linear pair. Linear pair means sum of two consecutive angles 180 degree. If you see angle 1 and angle 3, ये आपको linear pair दिख रहा है. Angle 1 and angle 3, it forms a linear pair. That means their sum will be 180 degree. Here angle 1 plus angle 3 is equal to 180 degree. Also 2 and 3 again forms a linear pair. Angle 2 plus angle 3 is equal to 180 degree. Why? Both of these forms a linear pair. As both are 180 degree, that means both of these sums will be equal to each other. Angle 1 plus angle 3 will be equal to angle 2 plus angle 3. So here 3 and 3 will cancel and you will get angle 1 is equal to angle 2. Angle 1 is equal to angle 2. Similarly, 1 plus 4 will be 180 degree. Angle 1 plus angle 4 is equal to 180. Angle 1 plus 3, angle 1 plus angle 3 is equal to 180 degree. Both again are 180 degrees. It means both will be equal. Angle 1 plus 3 is equal to angle 1 plus angle 4. 1 and 1 cancels and you will get angle 3 is equal to angle 4. तो आप ध्यान से देखें, we need to prove that vertically opposite angles are equal. पहले हमने prove कर दिया angle 1 is equal to 2 and then we are able to prove that angle 3 is equal to angle 4. So students, these are the vertically opposite angles. So in our next lecture we'll be discussing about more about the type of angles, like parallel lines के कौन से angles होते हैं and many more. Till then, thank you very much.